काफ़ी ग्लैड है कि हम लोगों ने बहुत सही डिसीजन लिया अपने लाइफ में कि अपने मकान को भैया को सौंप दिया कि आपको जैसे बनाना है, इसको जितना निखारना है वो आप निखारिए, हम लोग को कोई ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं है।
How do you craft a premium home that remains just as breathtaking a decade from now?
Hi, I'm architect Mahendra Singh Rajawat and I create experiences through architecture.
Balancing the distinct taste of three generations required a strict maintenance first philosophy. But our biggest challenge was the site itself. An east facing plot just 37 feet 6 inches wide with a massive depth of 126 feet. With the sun tracking from east to west, drawing natural light deep inside was our primary hurdle. To solve this, we designed a large, massive window right at the threshold of the entrance foyer. It acts as the ultimate source of light. As we enter the house, the entry is designed as a soft transition from the outside into the home. Moving past the foyer, the drawing room anchors a fusion of eras with triple layer feature wall. A crisp contemporary white stone face, a modern warm veneer, and a backdrop of classical molding. A sleek TV unit completes this sitting area.
This drawing room acts as a central connector, linking all major zones of the house, bedrooms, dining, and circulation spaces.
जब घर में मैं पहली बार घुसी थी तो मुझे घर देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा था, बाकी बन रहा था तब मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या बना रहा है ये।
The dining hall is defined by invisible function. A bespoke floating crockery unit maximizes the storage with a minimal footprint. While opposite, a multifunctional TV unit brilliantly camouflages a wash basin within classical wall geometry. Adjacent is the home's engine, a sleek, purely modern kitchen with handleless cabinetry. Flanking it to the left is the daughter's ethnic room. To manage massive backyard light, a curvy linear paneled wall completely hides the window frame, softening the glare and washing the room in a gentle glow. We designed a South Indian inspired mandir, crafted entirely from solid stone.
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
जो भी आते हैं सब लोग घर की तारीफ करके जाते हैं।
In striking contrast, the true master suite for the father sits at the end of the corridor, as a master in modern design. Natural veneer and fluted glass wardrobe shutters break the visual monotony, while the perimeter wrapping false ceiling creates a spiral infinity. Its attached high-end master bathroom also uses a glass partition to strictly segregate wet and dry zones. In the private wings, we tailored retreat for the different generations. The son's distinctly classical room features a solid sagwan bed paired with a fingerprint-resistant olive green and white yucca palette. It includes an attached high-end bathroom that utilizes premium finishes and a sleek glass partition to match the room's luxury.
महेंद्र भैया का हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट रहा, बहुत इन्होंने टाइम दिया अपना, बहुत जैसा हम लोग चाहते थे उससे बेटर निकल के आया। हम लोगों ने इनको जितना परेशान किया, एक ड्राइंग को 10 बार भी बनाया तो इन्होंने कभी उसको डिनाई नहीं किया। आगे चल के बढ़ के हमें उस चीज़ को बना के पूरा कॉपरेट किया है और जैसा हम लोग चाहते थे उससे बेटर
ड्रीम कम्स ट्रू।
बन के निकला।
रिकमेंड से तो महिला भैया के टच में आए, बट उनका जब हम लोगों ने सिविल वर्क में इतना देखा तो हम लोगों को लगा कि नहीं, इंटीरियर के लिए भी भैया को ही हमें असाइन करना है, अलॉट करना है। उनसे बेटर हम लोग के लिए शायद कुछ भी नहीं होगा।
सिविल वर्क भी इन्होंने ही किया है कंप्लीट बिल्डिंग का और इंटीरियर भी इन्होंने किया।
Designed intentionally without an attached bathroom to optimize the home's overall circulation. It is a high-energy modern sanctuary. We gave it a distinct character with clean wall grooves and maximized the functionality with dedicated TV study.
I wanted the room to be primarily grey and golden, and it came out to be really good and elegant.
Ultimately, this project proves that style isn't about choosing one era. It's about making them all work together. By layering these experiences, we have created a home where high end material meets practically longevity.